What's up, guys? Joe again with Clutch Up Garage, and we have a very exciting day that I've been waiting on for far too long. You see what's on the lift, the Dyna build for 2026. We are now halfway through 2026, but I think today is the day. Got all my paint back, so to give you a quick rundown, paint, we tried to do something. We messed it up, had to wipe it all off. Then I taped off the flames that I wanted, got them sprayed. Then I had to take them to a hand pinstriper to get the proper work done that I wanted. So I paid quite a bit of money for some hand pinstriping, but it's super cool, super chopper shit. Looks really good. So this is your sneak peek, finally, of what this bike completed is going to look like. So I'll take you over and show you the paint here. Check that out. Painted and taped off by me and my father-in-law, and then pinstriped by a guy named Cruz out of Bridgeport, West Virginia here. He did all the hand pinstriping, and it looks freaking awesome. So today we get to finish. I got some stuff outside. I'm rattle canning the Wide Glide badge that I am going to leave on this bike. Got to remember where it came from. It was a Wide Glide at one point. I got the Wide Glide badge. I'm painting black. I got the gas gauge. I'm also rattle canning black until I can get something else. Quick recap. We did all new bearings, titled frame, street bob conversion on the Wide Glide forks, street bike brake caliper, master cylinder. I made a headlight mount, converted the inner and outer primary to accept mid controls, chain conversion, 13-spoke mag conversion, all powder coated, all new bearings, Batubo rear suspension. Shout out to Batubo. Great guys over there. Vulgar USA, freestyle motor mount, super sick, looks great. Some foot pegs, some grips, some risers, some bars, got thrashing bars on there. I did a floating front rotor, just picked that up. I haven't done the rear yet, but we'll work on that. 2-in-1 exhaust I bought pre-owned and redid. Made it look brand new. And I think that's kind of it. You know how it goes. So, new tires, Shinko 777s. The Wide Glide's already +2 in the front, so that's rad. I didn't really have to mess with anything. I rebuilt it. New tubes, heavier oil. So, right now, we are going to go ahead and start setting the tins on. I'm super nervous because this is like the worst part. You don't want to scratch anything. But I got most everything pretty much ready to go, I think. So, stay tuned. This has been a full frame off build. Very near and dear to my heart, just like the bike that I totaled. Also totaled myself with. Got my ankle replaced there a few months ago. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start putting parts on. So stick with me. All right, so you're going to have to excuse the audio because I don't have my microphone, but we got the rear fender, front fender, and the two battery. Like I was saying, we got the rear fender, front fender, battery covers, and the dash painted. I'm going to work today on getting the tank taped off so we can get black sprayed on it. We're actually going to take these parts, once we get the black sprayed, over to a guy close to us that does hand pinstriping, so some real chopper shit. We're going to get a hand pinstripe, but I will show you the result as of now. This is what we're looking at. Some sick flames. I taped those all myself. I am not a professional painter. I am still learning the basics of painting, but I can tape a line, and these are exactly the flames I was looking for. They match the flames in my tattoos there. So yeah, exactly what I was looking for, and it is absolutely sick. So I'm going to go ahead and tape off the tank. We tried to use some BS flame cutouts and they didn't work. We had to wipe everything off and start over and just do it by hand, which I'm kind of glad I did because it gave me the experience to know how to tape this kind of stuff. So might be painting soon myself. I'm going to buy myself a gun, but we're going to head over into the paint booth and we're going to tape off the tank here. It is just blank, nothing on it yet. So yeah, I'm going to work on with the fine line tape, get some flames laid out, and then tonight or tomorrow night we'll spray the black, spray the clear coat, let it all dry real good, scuff it up, take it to the pinstriper, get it pinstriped, and then we will finally have a paint job once it's pinstriped and clear coated over a couple more times. So super excited. We're getting close. Finally. So I'm gonna put you in time lapse. I'm gonna go ahead and start taping this tank. All right, so we are going to do the rear fender. I got the plastic piece for the wiring back in there. Now, one thing I can suggest on fresh paint before you drive all this crap into it is lubing your fasteners, because that seems to help. Hopefully these prop rivets I put through here aren't too large. I'll cut them off where they are. So here we go. This is so nerve-wracking. I hate it. Let me see if I can get a piece of wood or something here. Try and hold it up a little bit. Might work, might not. Man, can't seem to find a spot to grab it. We are down to the final piece. Again, this is just a cheap seat as a placeholder for now. I will be getting a Lapera after going way out of budget on paint and blah, 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 blah. The LaPera had to wait, but this seat will do me fine for now. It looks all right for a cheapo. Wow. 9 months in the making. And disassembled on one leg with a broken ankle. Wow. I'm super, super excited about this, guys. It looks so good. This is a custom dash that was cut up by me, welded by my welder to make work. This, I got a key switch black one coming. But, wow. Look at this thing. Now, of course, it's a mess. Everything's a mess right now. I mean, I was kind of rushing to get it together. Not that I should be, but I wanted it done. So I'm still waiting on the fuel gauge to dry. I painted on it. But, dude, this is sick. I want to stand back and admire that. Sweet. Now we got to start it up. Well, my friends, that is a wrap for now. Super, super pleased with how this bike came out. It is incredible looking, better than I could have even imagined. I got quite a few shout outs and thank yous to give. Batubo Race Suspension, Batubo USA. Thank you for the suspension. And of course, helping out my customers through my business, Clutch Up Garage LLC. Keeping everybody riding good. Vulgar USA, Trey Sparks, great parts, freestyle motor mount. They ain't cheap. Buy once, cry once. It is a great addition if you're going to be thrashing on your bike a little bit. Of course, my father-in-law for the paint. He did incredible work as always. Cruise, custom airbrush, and pinstripe out of Bridgeport, West Virginia. His name's Wesley. He did an incredible job on these pinstripes. Everything looks so good. I did get it out, and I rode it just briefly because it actually started raining. I didn't want to ride in the rain yet. Ride's great. It rips. I do have some cams for this bike, which I don't feel like tearing it apart right now. So I'm probably going to ride it for a while. Then I'll probably do a how-to video on how to do some cams on a twin-cam engine. But yeah, I know I'm missing some people. My welder from work, Tyler, obviously, great welder. He made all this custom stuff with this dash because this is all custom. Welded a plate in the bottom, and it is absolutely seamless. Now, I did some body work on it to make it a little better than it was, but he did a fantastic job. So yeah, man, I am so excited to show this to you guys. So excited it's done. So excited to ride it. Not that my road glider or my chopper are a bad thing, but if you know, you know. Dyna's the way, man. So thank you guys so much for watching. 2026 build. I'm going to build more bikes. You guys know that. I'm going to show you how to build bikes. I'm going to show you how to fix your bikes. I got lots of bikes back behind you here behind the camera. I just did a full rebuild on the Sportster big board kit. Did full head rebuild. I didn't get that on video. That was for a customer, and I wanted to get it done. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Thanks so much. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks, guys.